First one is a old jazz tune. You guys like jazz or what's up? Yeah. All right. I really like jazz music. This is a reimagination of the old classic. You could drop the track when you're ready. Yeah. Yeah, you can turn it up a little more. Blue moon, yellow moon, red, orange, white. The city is pretty, but there's no stars, cause the lights, that's alright. That don't matter, cause my dreams shine bright. I wish I might see a blue moon every night. You saw me standing alone, without a dream in my heart, without a love of my own. Someone I really could care for. And then there suddenly appeared before me the only one my arms could ever hold. I heard somebody whisper, please adore me. And when I looked, the moon had turned to gold. Around you, I've seen more multicolored moons than most believe is true. Maybe we're the only ones that can see this particular hue. There's no gray when you're living in black and white. In the war of good and evil, I'm a warrior trained to fight, but even using all of my might, just a single life will die against dynamite. So I'm saving up for weaponry. The best of the best cannot handle me. I'm a blue moon, baby. You're the sea that makes me the controller of your gravity. Wrapped around my finger like poetry. You're the reason that I be feeling so lucky. The moon changes blue when I look at you. Tell me, baby, can you see it too? The only one my arms could ever hold. I heard somebody whisper, please adore me. And when I looked, the moon had turned to gold. Blue moon, now I'm no longer alone, without a dream in my heart, without a love of my Once in the blue moon, y'all. Hey. That was the first track, y'all.